All right, so we are arriving to Takakkaw Falls. How far from the waterfalls are we?
200 meters.
200 meters.
Yeah.
And look, we're getting wet. And the mist is just hitting our face. It's so strong. Wow. We came back to the car to get warmer clothing. Let's see what it's like to get close to the Takakkaw Falls.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking.
Alright, so this here's your park pass, good until 4 p.m. tomorrow. Just make sure you stick it up the driver's side of your windshield, and you're all set.
All right, baby, we're ready to go to Yoho National Park.
Sitting in my pocket, in plain sight, all alone. I think it's time for me to go and burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come what may. Don't look.
Hello, everyone. All right, so we are arriving to Takakkaw Falls. From far away, even like we haven't gotten there, but we can already see them. Like, this is how it looks from our view. How do they look?
Really awesome. But I think it's gonna be way more awesome when we get closer.
It's gonna be incredible. Like, wow, look at this. I am so excited and I can't wait to get up close and personal with the falls. We're waterfall chasing. This is our third waterfall we've seen. Let's see what this one looks like in real life.
I think it's time for me to go and burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along.
All right, guys, as you can see, there's beautiful viewpoints. The Takakkaw Falls look incredible. I mean, my love, you're from Venezuela. This is not Salto Ángel, but
I'll be close. We're still in.
hey, at least we came here first. Later, we'll have Salto Ángel. So for those of you that don't know, this right here is Salto Ángel. But let's keep going to the other viewpoint. So there's a lot of places to go to have lunch. Like, you can go down there. You can keep on going up this trail. And we found another place that looks beautiful. So I think like all the viewpoints are just
Different views.
yeah, different views, and they all look incredible.
Really, really beautiful.
Okay, guys, so Salva's hiding back there. We are about, I don't know, I want to say like we're pretty far from the waterfalls. How far from the waterfalls are we? Maybe like 100 meters?
No, 200 meters.
200 meters.
Yeah.
And look, we're getting wet. Like, you can feel the force of there. And the mist is just hitting our face. It's just like, it's so strong. Wow. It really is beautiful. Like, you can see how from the first section it starts coming down, and then it has this force when it hits down, and it just spreads all this mist around. It's chilly. It was really hot. It's plus 27.
But I always say worth it.
Exactly. It's worth it. With plus 27, we're like, oh, we don't need jackets, and we came in and we're freezing right now. So if you come and you want to get close, we recommend bringing a jacket. Wow, and look at where those people are going. Okay, let's get up there. How about that? Oh shoot, we brought sandals. Yeah, well, we can go change really quick to the car and then come back. It's still not too bad. Let's see. So maybe we're gonna crawl up there and get the view from a different place.
So I get down on my knees.
Oh my goodness, it is really, really, really cold. Let's try to find Salva in the wilderness. There he is.
And we climb just to fall. And we gave it all. Guess
All right, guys. So we came back to the car to get warmer clothing. As you can see, we have our little hoodies on and we have our explorer hats on. We're ready. We're ready to go explore the Takakkaw Falls. I mean, we're still in shorts, but it started to rain a little bit, but it was perfect because now it's not raining anymore. So let's see what it's like to get close to the Takakkaw Falls.
see your eyes longing to belong.
My love, what are you learning? What does it say?
1882, 2020.
Oh, wow, that's crazy. Wow, this is the Dali Glacier in 1892. And now the Dali Glacier 2020. That's a big difference, hey? Changing climate. All right, guys, so there's a tradition here in Canada that when you visit, you have to sit and collect a picture with all of the red chairs. So here we are, picture of the red chair in Takakkaw Falls. Let's go.
Driving right into the sun. And summer was round the corner, forever young.
Okay, so we are here, really close to the Takakkaw Falls. It is chilly. You can see. I don't even know if you guys can hear me from so far away. It is the sound of the falls. But it gets pretty chilly even with the hoodies like it do. Okay, it's quite wet here. So this is how completely dry it is here. So you can come over from this side. This side is dry as well. It's a little bit wet. Not as dry as this side. This side is totally doable. And we just want to get to see, oh wow, look at the view from up here. It's incredible. Salva's right here. It is actually less cold up here than what it is down there. Down there it's pretty cold and it's yeah. It's pretty cold and pretty wet. Over here it's more like not as cold. Wow! That is so beautiful! Okay, so one little tip is that you can take this paved roadway to the Takakkaw Falls, but if you want to get explore, we recommend you take this little pathway off the side so you can go through, and then you find a little magical forest, and the views that you get of the Takakkaw Falls are even more incredible because you see it with nature. So you can check out both. We took the paved road on the way there, and then on the way back we took this little trail, and like that you get the best of both worlds, but make sure you don't miss it. It's like a little magical forest. It's beautiful. You find all sorts of things. You can see like little mushrooms, you can see a lot of squirrels, a lot of everything. So guys, we are very sorry. We're about to leave and we just realized
that we gotta practice our Thailand accent.
Our Thailand. No, we just realized
That the name that we have been saying all the time
it's
is
wrong. So we were saying that welcome to Takakkaw. I think I was saying Takakkaw Falls. Takakkaw Falls. They are actually, as you can see right here in the video, it's called Takakkaw. Takakkaw? We don't know how to pronounce it properly. It's Takakkaw.
We're gonna put it over here, and you guys tell us how you pronounce it.
Exactly. Takakkaw. Wow, thank you so much for watching, guys. We hope you like our video for Takakkaw Falls. We'll see you.
And see you next time.
Woo!